Hey. Today, I will be painting on a skateboard, just like every other art YouTuber has already done. But unlike all these other dweebs, right? They didn't do any sick tricks. And me, a kid raised solely off Skate 3 and Evel Knievel DVD tapes, is obviously gonna do. It's like a really big tech deck. So yeah, we gotta strip this thing to the bare bones, just the board, sand it, spray paint it, all that. And I'll do that within a quick 15-second montage. Start it off with an overdone transition.
Can I get an overview?
Yeah, wacky. Here, you know what we need to get?
Whoa!
Here, can we do one of those, like... So you know when they do the shaky thing?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that probably sucked ass. So with that, we have a fully... Oh my fucking god. So with that, our skateboard is fully ready to be painted on, and while we're here, I might as well show you exactly what I'm planning. It's my original character, Gilbert. What would you expect? I draw him like every other video, except this time he has dual-wheeled Desert Eagles, so, you know, that's kind of cool. But before I can transfer the sketch to the board, I have to paint the background, because this is in fact just a primer layer of paint. So yeah, let's do it.
Wings, you let me ride into your web. I look into
And with 3 layers of paint onto the board and a rough sketch of the background, it's time to transfer our sketch.
black, see me struggling, stopping my life and grabbing me, taking me in.
Now, you may be wondering, why didn't I just, you know, transfer the sketch and then paint around it? Because I'm fucking stupid. That's why. I make horrible decisions.
Stuck in a looping cycle, depression, feel my body stressing. I can't sleep if I wake up from message or the movement of my lady. Feel my energy is fading, feel my soul crying, yet I'm still trying, I am not dying. Death, kill, murder self from a voice that's up in my head. Feel like I'm stuck in abyss. Miss when I was just a kid. Now I was the same then, thinking same sin. Love my mama, but I'm barely home cause they bring up the same shit. Feeling worthless, feeling trash because her man was on my ass and made me feel like I won't shit when I was really just a kid. Constantly said I wouldn't make it in this world cause I'm so forgetful. Guess I'm better dead because my mental. Funny thing is, nothing changed. I'm still forgetting everything. But nigga, look how far I came and I ain't kill myself. No, I ain't kill myself.
Here we go. I think that's there we go.
We did it?
Let's go one.
Now we just gotta wait?
Yeah.
How many hours?
We can wait like 10 minutes.
Okay. Dude, I said keep it low. Can I see the gun?
Why would I?
Vanguard real life.
New Warzone vehicle out now.
Come here, you motherfucker. What are you gonna do about it?
it's so windy. Maybe if I block the wind.
I think it's going in my mask.
Well, I didn't ask. That is a bar. Dude, it smells like, you know, it doesn't smell good, but like, think of gasoline. Like, gasoline doesn't smell good, but it smells good. Are you fucking card full? You piece of shit. All right, we're doing the rest with that phone.
Shit. Shake my hand. Only thing I worry about is getting towed.
And the only thing I don't worry about is getting hose, because it's impossible for me.
I already have hose. Hose knows.
Yeah, you.
I now present to you the best skateboard montage ever made. My hands are fucking. Oh shit!
How much am I getting paid for this?
None.
Okay.
Run it.
I gotta be the girlfriend that goes up and hugs him.
You did it!
Oh, my rapper!